Are you on the hunt for the best cabinet table saw to elevate your woodworking game? Whether you're a seasoned professional or a passionate DIY enthusiast, the right table saw can transform your projects from ordinary to extraordinary. In today's video, we're reviewing the top cabinet table saws that offer unmatched precision, durability, and power. We'll dive deep into the features of SawStop Professional Cabinet Saw, Powermatic Table Saw with Accu-Fence System, Grizzly Industrial G0651, and the Baileigh Industrial Professional Cabinet Table Saw. Each of these tools is a powerhouse in its own right, designed to meet the needs of woodworking enthusiasts at any level. Stay tuned to the end, and don't forget to check the description box and pin comment for product links so you can grab the perfect cabinet table saw for your workshop today. SawStop Professional Cabinet Saw. The SawStop Professional Cabinet Saw is the epitome of safety and precision in woodworking. Featuring its patented safety system, this saw stops the blade instantly upon detecting contact with skin, reducing the risk of severe injury. With a powerful 3 HP motor, it glides through even the hardest woods effortlessly, delivering clean and precise cuts every time. Its cast iron table offers exceptional stability, while the dust collection port keeps your workspace clean and organized. The T-Glide fence system ensures unparalleled accuracy, making it perfect for complex woodworking tasks. Moreover, the SawStop is designed with long-term durability in mind, featuring high-quality components that stand up to demanding use. Whether you're cutting hardwoods, plywood, or delicate veneers, this table saw delivers top-notch performance every single time. Safety-conscious woodworkers looking for reliability and precision will find the SawStop Professional Cabinet Saw to be a worthy investment. Check out the product link in the description to learn more. Powermatic Table Saw with Accu-Fence System. The Powermatic Table Saw with Accu-Fence System combines heavy-duty power with user-friendly design. Its 50-inch rip capacity and powerful 3 HP motor make it ideal for handling both small projects and large-scale carpentry jobs. The Accu-Fence System provides smooth and accurate adjustments, ensuring straight and clean cuts with every pass. Its robust cast iron construction reduces vibration, giving you stability even during demanding cuts. This table saw is equipped with an integrated dust port to maintain a tidy workspace, while its ergonomic design ensures ease of use. Whether you're building cabinets, furniture, or decorative pieces, the Powermatic is a reliable companion that delivers precision every time. Grizzly Industrial G0651 10-inch Cabinet Table Saw. The Grizzly Industrial G0651 is a powerhouse for professional woodworking. Boasting a 5 HP motor, this saw can tackle the toughest materials effortlessly. Its massive 52-inch rip capacity makes it ideal for large sheets of plywood or intricate custom cuts. Designed with a precision ground cast iron table, the Grizzly ensures stability and vibration-free performance. This saw also features a T-slot miter gauge for accurate crosscuts and an easy-to-adjust driving knife for added safety. The blade guard and quick release mechanism make setup and adjustment simple, saving you time and effort. Whether you're a contractor or a hobbyist, the Grizzly G0651 offers exceptional value for high-demand woodworking projects. Baileigh Industrial Professional Cabinet Table Saw. For those seeking premium craftsmanship, the Baileigh Industrial Professional Cabinet Table Saw is a standout choice. Built with durability in mind, it features heavy-duty trunnions and a cast iron table that ensures accuracy and longevity. The saw includes a high-precision fence system and digital readout for adjustments, making it easy to achieve professional-level cuts. This table saw is perfect for crafting intricate designs or large-scale furniture pieces. It also comes with a dust collection system to maintain cleanliness and a powerful motor that handles any material you throw at it. Whether you're outfitting a professional workshop or upgrading your home setup, the Baileigh saw delivers unmatched quality. And there you have it, our in-depth reviews of the best cabinet table saws of 2024. From the SawStop Professional Cabinet Saw with its unmatched safety features to the Baileigh Industrial Table Saw with premium construction, each of these tools offers incredible value for any woodworking enthusiast. If you're ready to upgrade your woodworking setup, be sure to check the description box and pin comment for product links to grab the best deals today. Don't forget to leave a comment telling us which saw caught your attention or if you have any personal favorites. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to Tool Mentorship for more in-depth reviews, guides, and tips. See you in the next video and happy woodworking.